So most of my prints are lino cuts. I also have some screen prints too, and I sometimes use a combination of both methods in the artwork. So lino cut is basically an elaborate version of, say, potato printing. So you're cutting out of a piece of lino a design, and then you roll ink on, put paper on the top, and then you put it under a printing press, or you just rub the back with a spoon, a bit like a brass rubbing, and then you get the print off from there. So that's one method that I use, and that's the lino cut is the method that I started off with. I really love it because it's quite a physical medium. The process is as much fun, I think, as the final print when you pull it off. I also do screen prints as well, and that allows me to do bigger work and also to experiment with overlays of colours and things like that. But yeah, I generally stick to those two things because they're quite immediate printing techniques. I'm quite impatient. I think if I stuck to etching, lithography, things like that, I'd probably get a bit fed up because I can't see what I'm doing straight away.